Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have this BANE Plus padlock from 2015. Those locks appeared as economic version of regular Serbian BANE padlock, BANE brass line. It was a bit cheaper. It was not cheap. It costed 10 euros. For such badly made lock and unsecured lock, it's a huge amount of money. But it was BANE's try to make economic line of locks. And they ordered those locks from China. That was the period when they started ordering from China. We're now going to see what it takes to pick this lock open. I'm going to use this tension wrench made out of bicycle spoke and this city rake. So, let's begin. I'm using really light tension because BANE locks usually love light tension. They don't like heavy tension at all. The pins are jamming if you applied huge force. And we got it open. So, all those Chinese BANE padlocks, those older ones, named BANE Plus, and those new ones, which I featured in previous videos, they all have this kind of bitting. And this bitting is bad because we have decreased. I don't know if it could focus. Let's change brightness a little bit. So, the bitting is usually practically always bad because they decreased numbers of combinations. The deepest cut goes to this rail here, till this notch here located. This notch. And because of that, let's try to this notch here. And because of that, we have approximately 10,000 combinations and no more than that. Because of such bitting, we have problems because it's very easy to rake open, to snap open, to zip open. Practically, you could do everything what you want with that lock and it will be defeated. Why did they did something like that? Well, because pins are made out of brass. And brass pins are expensive. The longer they are, the more material is wasted. And because of that, they made short brass pins, brass key pins, and they have had to decrease the deepness of the cuts. And that's why they decreased radically security features. One more thing, as some kind of cost-saving measure, is this locking pole. This locking pole, if you see it, it's made out of two parts. This is first, this is second part. First part is very weak because it's tiny and it breaks with ease. Second part is a bit stronger but not strong enough. So, if you hammer this portion, this edge of a lock, with a hammer which weighs 300 grams, you will defeat this lock in couple of punches. So we are speaking of really, really unsecured padlock. We have a package here. It says BANE Plus padlock, model number, which is not the model number of this one. They just rewrite it, copied it. We have this sticker on it. We have this sticker also on the lock, so we know that it's made in China. Bad finish also. Number of goods, material brass, without surface protection, and greasing not allowed. They practically copied all features or all sentences from original packaging and original BANE padlock. Maker, metal industry of BANE. Importer Pro Galvano, Belgrade. Country of origin, China. And that's about it. So those locks were meant to be, as I mentioned, some kind of economic line, but it wasn't cheap. It wasn't cheap at all. So practically the line disappeared because no one bought them. All entities, civil entities, commercial entities, state entities, everyone was up to LZ padlocks because they are the same shape, the same size, but quality is radically better. LZ is really, really good lock. So they abandoned BANE padlocks. And that was the first BANE which started ruining reputation of BANE Sekulic factory. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.